G'day, g'day, g'day. Back into it. This time I'm down at Girona. I'm at North Queensland Fishing Adventures hut. JJ's out the back sorting out some boats. I'm going to go for a fish with JJ, and we'll see how we go today. It's good. Actually, I've got Will and his wife with us. They did a charter with me some years ago, about 4 years ago. And they've spotted JJ's site on the web, I suppose you could say. So they're down here for a couple of days, and then they're going to head up to Hinchinbrook. The weather might turn for them. It might be good for a change. Doesn't look like we're going to get much more rain, and hopefully that's the case. As you can see, nice blue skies. Plane heading down to Brisbane, I suppose. Anyway, enough of the rambling. I'll see when we get on the water. We're going to go at the front, do a bit of headland stuff because the tide is quite high. It's 3.5, I think. But anyway, we'll see how we go. Talk to you soon. Okie dokie, we're out the front of Girona. I got Will and JJ. I'm actually with Will and JJ. They're not with me. Will was with me some years ago when we did a charter. His wife's back at the house. She's going to stay there for a while, and we'll have another crack. So Will's up here till Friday, then heads up to Hinchinbrook. For how long are you up at Hinchinbrook, Will?
5 days up there.
5 days.
At the lodge.
All right. Well, make sure when you head home, drop into my place, right? And if we can make something happen, we'll go for a fish. If you got time, if you can get the time, we'll make something work. Just for those people that ever want to come up and enjoy an adventure at North Queensland Fishing Adventures, one of the things I want to bring to your attention, it's JJ's not a guide, right? He has boats that you can drive. He provides accommodation. He will show you where to go. He will get bait for you, and he will give you tips and tricks. But it's not what he does as in guide. So be aware of that. We've had a few people ask, is JJ a guide? No, he's not. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, God, you serious? I'm in more. Oh, mate. Again. Yeah, I'm in the trees more than an orangutan.
I picked up a couple more of these same reels like Dane used, the Revo X. So normally they retail for 200, and you get them on special for 170, sometimes 160.
Yes.
But I've got a couple off Amazon for 130.
Oh yeah.
What I did get, so I've got a couple of just your regular geared one. I've got a high geared one for myself, and I also got the winch, which is a real low gear. So if I have someone, sometimes you just have to tell someone 4 or 5 times to keep slowing their wind retrieve down.
Yep.
So
yep.
For those people, I'm just going to give them the winch, so they can wind fast and they're still going slow.
Yeah, and that's the biggest thing. People got to understand. You've got to slow down.
Yeah.
Especially with barrows.
That's simply because they're a bit of a lazy fish on a
well,
hole,
barrows,
isn't it?
Yeah, barrows Barramundi are socialites, right? And they hunt by ambush. They don't hunt by hunting down, like mackerel, tuna, trevally, you know. So they'll sit and wait for their food. So what you've got to do is get it to them. And your winter months are your harder months, because what'll happen is their whole metabolism will slow down, right? Barramundi have actually died because they haven't digested food fast enough. So their metabolism will slow down. So that's why in winter we use smaller lures. Yep. Think of it this way. You're home, winter, cold, right? The wife says, you feel like a roast chook and veggies and all the rest of it? You're sitting there going, no. But you'll take a toasted ham, cheese and tomato sandwich. You know, it's small. You know, because you're not burning off energy.
That jelly bean theory.
Yeah. Yeah, elephants eat peanuts.
Speaking of small fish and that, have a look at my tank when you get back to the hut too, Knighty. There's a new addition in there.
Oh, is there?
Someone who lives close by, who you know, dropped a little surprise in there for me one day. It looked very... I love the look of it in there anyway. I think you'll like it.
Ah. See,
best idea for me for what I'm doing.
Well, see spots like this?
Yep.
See that spot in there? In that gap in there? Not the tree, but in there, that's where I'd expect to see a barra.
Oh, he's on! I'll get out of your way.
Look at this. Oh, what is that? That's not a barra.
Isn't it?
No, it looked like a salmon. Doesn't matter, these.
Oh, no, he's still on.
No, he's still got him.
He was just swimming towards the boat.
Yeah, big threat, big blue. That's a big blue too.
Big blue.
That was the smallest roll.
No, it's a queenie.
Is it a queenie?
It is a queenie. It's a good queenie.
Oh, it is too. Forget about my fish identification.
Oh no, I've almost lost it on you.
You're not real good at this, are you?
Nah. I got one of these yesterday about this size too. We've got him in the esky for numbers for this afternoon.
I was going to say. Force him up.
There we go.
Nice work.
Probably have to wait a while for that bait to start like.
Yeah. Yeah. And the watercolour's not as bad as I thought it would be.
No.
It's actually not too bad.
It was actually not too. Oh, it was filthy most of the creek yesterday, but up that little creek, sheep station. I'm going to start calling it Little Sheepy, I think.
Yeah, a little sheepy.
And it wasn't too. And as the tide went out, it actually probably got a little bit cleaner.
Yeah, that first spot where you went, you could just see that mud in the water, couldn't you?
Yeah, I took him to the mouth of mazes. You know,
Oh, yeah.
and he didn't get any.
Have
We
you?
had that one barra, that little sort of probably 50 odd centimetre one on the.
Did you get to go over to Ratchet?
Nah, it was blowing a bit.
Yeah.
Well, that was day one was yesterday. Oh, Will and Shelley got here the day before. Monday, bloody.
I mean, we're in a Tupperware boat. You can't get wet in a Tupperware boat.
You say you can't get wet? Oh.
Let me tell you.
Let me show you.
Even better.
Well,
Here.
it's always the person at the back who gets wet, so usually right in the front.
Yeah. Put this on. That's a raincoat. Yes, you will need it.
Oh. Yeah, that's about.
That's a barra.
Geez, Will's
Yeah.
fussy tonight.
I don't think I like this.
Well, where you went was where I was meant to go, and then I failed, and I got it the second time.
Oh, that's Oh no, he's a
Might be close to dinner
57. 57. Oh.
I reckon that might be.
No, it's
I reckon it might be a PB again.
Yeah,
Mate,
well
I
done,
think
mate.
I think that's
Yeah, I think that's dinner.
61.
I think so.
Nice work, mate. Nice work. Well done.
Well,
Thanks,
I just put that's what you said you wanted a bloody just wanted a legal barrel to do it now, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, now you just got to get me a metre one. 90?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I love
got him.
Nice, oh.
Is that a flatty?
Flatty.
Oh, I love me flatty. Good flatty. You want a net? Oh, I thought you were gonna.
Jesus.
That's a ripper. You're on me. You're on the bloody. You're on the wall of fame with that one, Knighty.
Christ, that's a beauty. That'd have to be in the high 60s, wouldn't it?
That one went 64. Was it? Yeah, 64.
64.
6-4.
And nice lizard.
Heaven for him.
Yeah.
Whatever reason.
That's what, like I ask everyone what their opinion is why we don't get them, and a lot of people say it's because we don't get the big tides because we're too far away from the continental shelf. But Brizzy hasn't got big tides.
Has nothing to do with it. Oh, got him.
There we go. That's a barra.
Right.
No, he's about 62.
Yeah, he's almost size to yours, I think. Straight in.
That's how we do it. I'll be back.
I'm just going to leave it on from now on.
Yeah.
I've missed both barras now.
Get our birds nest out and
Oh,
I'll just wind it in.
see the colours? Oh, got him.
Another one. I might be standing
That's...
with
Nah,
that. Is he off?
yep.
Oh, yep.
Here we go. That's a good one. Oh, I like that. Look like a brim.
Oh no, it's not a brim.
Oh, it is. It is. It's the same colour as a brim. My
In
car.
one go.
No.
I'll grab it, Knighty.
Just got to set him up.
Okay.
Well, that I just had to change my colour.
See? Black and gold.
He's stealing our idea, Knighty. Hand
Yeah.
out fish now.
Yeah.
I think it's time we throw him back.
I think this might be a little bit bigger than yours too, fellas.
No,
Maybe
it's-
1 or 2
no,
centimetres.
No, I might stuff it.
Oh!
Oh no! No!
That'll teach me. I'll run in my mouth before it's in the boat.
What fish?
Oh.
Whoopsies.
What fish?
Oh well.
So are they a sort of a veggie eater as well, or they just meat predominantly?
What's that?
Turtle.
Turtles are vegetarian, but they will eat they'll eat jellyfish.
Yeah, I've seen them do that.
Yeah. You know one of the best baits for mud crab?
Jellyfish.
Yeah, jellyfish.
It hardens them up, and
Yep.
that Gordo was talking about it
Yep.
the other week recently on the
What was
podcast.
that with the jellyfish?
Yep. Best crab bait.
Oh, jellyfish?
Yep, 100%. If you go to a creek and you get jellyfish, you grab them, put them in your crab pot. Mud crabs love them.
Oh.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one.
To thumb him to keep him out of that
Yeah.
out of that timber.
I'm not
You
sure.
might have to have a go at the net this time, Will, because Knighty lost me last one on me.
Ah, yeah. There's a reason for that.
Yeah, so I lose the 80 centimetre one instead. Is that what you're saying?
Nah, this one's a little bit smaller than that last
Yeah.
one. Oh, similar size, maybe a little bit smaller. But
Ah, he's a keeper.
yeah.
Oh, he's definitely a keeper. Mind you, he is 55, but we'll just say we're in the territory.
Yeah, well, thank you very
Woohoo.
much.
Well, you
Well
don't have
done.
to go home with your pants down
No,
there.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
You'd hate to be a resident and not catch a barra.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's
Yeah,
another 63.
Well, that nice. Oh, and it just slipped out
Look at
again.
that. Look at that.
Did he spit it just then, did
Yeah.
he?
Yep.
Hang on.
That's not bad. I mean, like, we've only been here an hour, and we've put 3 in the esky, jumped 2 off, got a nice lizard.
Queenie, don't forget
Oh no, don't forget the queenie. Don't forget the queenie.
I feel bit, mate. I've travelled a long way to catch that fish.
But have you noticed, Will? They're all fat. They got nice,
Yeah, it's what you
thick
said about
shoulders.
That one on mine yesterday, eh?
Nice.
Fish. Oh, I've just thought that bloody thing.
Here, give it here.
That hasn't. It must be caught on something because that's not sliding out, and yet I've. I didn't think I hooked it. It went off to the side, but obviously there's a bit more of it.
It's got arms. That one. It comes up and grabs your lure.
Yeah.
I've got close to that tree many times.
Do you reckon Knighty had...
Oh, you got it off?
I was going to say, do you reckon Knighty would mind if I try his lure out for him?
Yeah, of course you can.
Yeah, with diving the basses and stuff, like I'll make a cup of tea when I start. 4 hours later, that thing's still drinkable.
Yeah, they're great.
It's a brilliant that is this one. This is a candle.
Got him!
Right, got him?
Yep.
Oh, that's a little bit better. I look at him.
Another 60, maybe? Oh, he's a small one.
One doesn't cut.
Oh, I'm trying to knock him off for you. That's some terrible netting, but it's in the boat.
It's in the boat. It's another 60. Oh yeah, easy. Okay, cameraman.
Well done, mate. Well done.
Yeah.
I like to just have backup in the freezer in case.
Yeah,
people
case.
catch and they want to feed a fish.
Oh, that fellow went 61? 61 or 60?
61.
61. So, JJ's fallen behind.
It's not Friday, it's Wednesday.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
The competition's Friday, not today. But I met Knighty a few years before that. When I first came back to Australia, I went to the Sounder Falls with him.
Yeah, that's right.
A bit of bait foot.
Yep, got him.
Oh!
This is a better one. Oh no. That one was under 60, so
That was what?
that barra was under 60.
Oh, the barrel.
What
Yeah.
size was it, Knighty?
Oh, probably.
Legal or
Nah,
you didn't measure it?
no, I didn't measure it. It would have been, I reckon he would have been 56, 57 tops. But I won't keep barrows unless there's 60. They've got to go 60 or better.
Yeah.
Because they do shrink. Got
Oh,
it.
I saw that bite. You on the net?
Nah, it's a rat. Or maybe.
Look at those. You jump the net for me, mate?
Woot woot. Oh, we might measure him.
That's a nice
Right, that's us done. I was just down here for a couple of hours. Just showing you what you can get when you fish with JJ at North Queensland Fishing Adventures. Will is enjoying himself. So, anyway, I'm out of here. But like I say, like and subscribe, make me a millionaire. Catch us later.